Hello guys and welcome back to another video. As you can see, no trades today. Today is Thursday. Uh, I'll walk you guys through what trades, the possible trades to take today. Or there was only one trade that was possible to take for my model, but I didn't take it, and I'll talk about why. So yeah, I just decided to do a quick video today. Coming into the day, we had news at 8:30, which made us go down. We shut down into this 1 hour and 30-minute bullish rally gap. And I saw this as a potential bullish AMD. We have accumulation, manipulation, distribution. It was quite clear in my opinion. So then coming into open, we accumulated here. I wanted to be able to long, I wanted to see a manipulation down here. Manipulation down, which made an SMT since we had no higher time from SMT. So manipulation down to then make the move up. However, no sweep. Whoops. No sweep of the lows. We just leave these untouched, which meant no long for me. So I was not as upset that I missed this, but I was like, I was quite confused why the market just didn't want to sweep out this liquidity. Like often when we shoot up at open, we often have a sweep before the open or an SMT that was made before the open. It's very rare we don't have any of that. But however, the long idea was right and we end up coming up. So then I wanted to take a short to rebalance price. That was my other idea. We had this data high, London high, and I want to see them swept and come into this untouched 30-minute for rally gap, make an SMT to then be able to catch a short. However, we went up, came into the 30-minute, made SMT here with ES. So I was waiting for a cyst or a inverse rally gap. Almost happened here, but we shut up right before close. So then we shop and right, let's see when. Yeah, so right here. Here is when I exit the market. I saw that ES took out these highs, which disrespected that bearish SMT, and I was like, okay, we disrespect that, and we have already reacted in the 50% level of the 30-minute rally gap. So I felt like, okay, we're not just gonna shop or something. So I left the market right here. So what would we do then? Right after I left, we made this close by SMT with ES, or I could also see this, but this is better. This was the final manipulation move up, sweep, made this close by SMT with ES, and then we make this inverse. We make the inverse with momentum, and the important thing here is also with this move we create a bearish value gap. So this is where I could have gotten an entry, or I could enter off of that, or if I'm not certain enough, I can wait and see, yes, okay, we react down and enter some. Here I can jump into the 30-second. So wait for the last confirmation, which would have been here since we retrace up and then respect bearish again, go down, make the cyst, but the correct entry for me, which would have probably been like right here. Stop loss up at the highs. Fuck. Stop loss at the highs. 17-point stop loss and TP. I would have TP at this unfilled 15 for rally gap. Like you saw, that was where I had my TP. But I maybe would have had a partial somewhere, maybe in this 15 minute also. So maybe a partial like right here. To either go BE right there or take a partial, not certain. How I would feel in the live market with it. But yeah, you could have full TP there. It would be 1 to 2 RR. This was a very good RR trade, the best in a long time. And of course, I step out of the market as soon as it comes. So yeah, that was today's the day, no trade, and I don't know really what to do. Sometimes my trade comes and I'm afraid to take it. Sometimes it doesn't come, or often it doesn't come. Like today's Thursday, I've taken trade only yesterday, and I didn't even take my good setup. It wasn't my good setup. It has been one trade this week that was my good setup, and that was Tuesday. Didn't take it. And today this was an okay setup. I would not call this a A+ setup. Probably a A- setup. Since this long would have been A+ if we made SMT sweep. So I'm not really sure what to do, if I should be right now. I don't know what to do. I just gotta stick to the rules, I guess. I don't want to change, like, okay, maybe I don't need SMT, change that. I want to have my things in order, like, okay, we need an SMT and we need a final sweep for me to take entry. And then I just go based off of my higher time frame narrative, what the drawn liquidity is. Like here, the drawn liquidity was up here, and here for the short drawn liquidity was this unfilled 15 minute. So yeah, that was trade recap for today. Hoping to actually take a winning trade tomorrow. Friday, last day of the week. We will see. I'm not gonna pass this combine this week like I had hoped, but it's fine. It's just so annoying how it just feels like time just goes by, but I don't make any progress really. Like I can't fucking even pass a combine. How long have I had this? I've had this combine for now 1.5 weeks. I haven't passed it, and I've been stuck on combine since I blew my express for like I don't even know how long. At least a month. So yeah, I don't know. Trading is just not going the best right now. But hopefully a good trade tomorrow, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.